Hey friends, what's up? New week, new moves. This week's video, I dive into the Pota beret, showing you different positioning variations with how I place my feet within the step, which leads to different ways of transitioning into and out of the step. I don't assign names to any of the variations today, so what I recommend if you're interested in learning the names of these things, try to look up resources of the New York pioneers, the ones that started teaching these steps back in the late 80s, early 90s, because they're the ones that started assigning the names, so they have the most direct contact to that lineage. All right, but this video, it's going to start off really easy, and then by the end of it, you might hate the Pota beret. So just be patient with it. It's going to unlock some different cool ideas. If you really enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I try to come up with different ideas each week just to share with my followers. Sometimes I post some freestyle, sometimes I post some other contextual stuff. So give it a like, give it a subscribe, and let's dive into the Pota beret.